HMD Global takes pride in their beautifully crafted devices, and their newest lineup for the early 2018 does not disappoint. While we did not receive the top-of-the-line Nokia 8 Sirocco locally, we did get one premium mid-ranger. Hi guys, Kim here of YugaTech, and this is the Nokia 7 Plus. The design of the packaging is a little nostalgic, a classic Nokia. The unboxing experience is quite different and has two compartments. The right side holds the phone and the SIM ejector beneath it, while on the left we get all the accessories like free case, wall plug, USB cable, and the earphone, and that's pretty much it. The new Nokia 7 Plus stays true to its name as a stylish premium device. It looks and feels elegant, has a well-blended color combination and sophisticated design, and will make you feel you're holding a premium device. The one we have here is a black and copper version, but they also have the neat-looking white and copper variant. Right out of the bat, you'll notice this copper thin line surrounding the display, camera, and fingerprint sensors. It's a small detail, but it adds a nice touch. The display is covered with Corning Gorilla Glass 3. It's large at 6 inches with an IPS panel, FHD Plus resolution, and an 18:9 aspect ratio. The bezels are thin, especially at the sides, and are well proportioned. The sides are covered with copper color, same goes with the buttons for volume rocker and power button. It's just plain, has no texture, but feels solid and clicky at the same time. It has a hybrid SIM tray, which means there's no dedicated slot for a micro SD card, which is a bit of a downer. Great thing this phone still has a 3.5mm audio port on top, and down below it now uses a USB Type-C port. Flipping the device, we got the smooth, matte black texture. Found here are the cameras, fingerprint scanner, Nokia branding, and LED flash. The chassis is actually made from a single block of 6000 series aluminum for durability, and you will definitely notice that it's well made and has this comforting heft, yet comfortable in the pockets. Let's discuss cameras. The Nokia 7 Plus is equipped with dual rear cameras consisting of a 12-megapixel main and a 13-megapixel secondary telephoto for 2x zoom, both with Zeiss optics. Selfies are handled by a 16-megapixel shooter, also with Zeiss optics. Zeiss has a solid reputation when it comes to optical systems, so it's great to know that they will still provide HMD Global with optics for their new Nokia products. Images produced by the Nokia 7 Plus are pretty much accurate in bright daylight without blown highlights. Colors are vibrant and rich. Shots taken indoors or in low light are acceptable, with just a bit of a noise grain. Quality degrades further in night shots, as highlights are now blown out and quite muddy. It runs on Android Oreo 8.1 out of the box, meaning you'll get the stock vanilla version of Android without any skins and annoying bloatware. As expected, the UI is clean, fuss-free, and easy to navigate. It's also an Android One device, so updates are easy to come by as well. The Nokia 7 Plus is powered by a Qualcomm Snapdragon 660 chipset and 4GB of RAM, which is a strong mid-range configuration. As expected, performance is smooth. Running multiple apps at the same time and switching between them is just a breeze. It's also more than capable of handling heavy tasks such as extensive gaming. Anyway, here is our initial synthetic benchmarks. The Nokia 7 Plus certainly lives up to the Nokia brand with its premium quality and good performance. It has a sophisticated design and feel, more than capable set of shooters, and a powerhouse mid-range chip. Of course, we've only scratched the surface of what this little phone can do, so stay tuned once we put it up to its paces in the coming days. The device is already available at authorized retailers and concept stores nationwide with a price tag of 21,990 pesos. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe for more videos like this and hit the bell icon to be notified of our future uploads. Again, this is Kim of YugaTech, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!